M&M play.
Ken? Ken?
Yes, Barbie?
I thought I told you we were watching cute doggy videos.
We were?
Yeah. Can you go put a shirt on and come back here?
Yes. Okay, I'm here. I got my favorite shirt on.
Finally, we're ready to watch.
I wonder if their owners give them donuts.
你看人家别的小动物拍个视频都好几万
Aw,
的
that
赞，
doggy's
怎么你没
smiling.
有赞呢？是不是因为你长得不可爱？
Barbie, but this person
Is
who's talking
okay.
is really annoying
你
me.
反思一下。
Aw, it's smiling again. And it's standing on a sofa.
Barbie,
Yeah?
why is that dog standing on a cage?
I don't know.
And it's smiling. I've never seen one of your dogs do that. That one is like climbing into a bag. Barbie, that's really funny.
I want that dog, Ken.
But Barbie, you have like so many dogs.
I know, but I still really want that one. It looks like that's its cage. See, it might be sleeping. That was a really cute dog.
Barbie, that dog is getting a bath in the sink. That's really funny.
But cute, Ken.
That dog, Barbie, is a little creepy, and I think it has a frog on its face.
Ken, I think it looks a little angry. Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, Barbie. That's a big dog and a tiger playing with each other. That's like crazy.
I know. The dog is like huge. I couldn't even fit that in the dream house.
Tigers are my favorite animal.
Aww. When his owner says something, he twists his head. That's so cute.
I guess that was the end.
That's the dog I want, Barbie.
Aw, Ken, that's a little puppy. That's so cute. They're cuddling with each other. That's so cute. They're so tiny. Aw. So cute how they run.
I know. Oh, that one's tugging at a blanket. Aww. It's biting its foot.
Aw, and it's shaking. That's so cute.
Barbie, look it. It sees itself in the mirror. It thinks it's another dog.
That's funny. It looks like he's like attacking the mirror. Aw, look at him wagging his tail. Oh, Ken, all these doggies are so cute. I can't pick between them. Which one's your favorite?
I like hot dogs.
I should have known.
Barbie, that's the dog I want. It looks so fluffy and it has a ball in its mouth. It must like playing. What if that's a donut?
So cute. Aw, that one is the cutest dog. He's twisting his little head back and forth.
Well, there goes the baby. She just started crying.
Well, I guess we're done with the cute doggy videos for now.
I'm hungry anyway.
I'll get the baby. Thank you guys for watching cute doggy videos with us. Bye!